Hello guys, so today we're going to be testing out the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I've just got the little tester size. I don't have a big one. This mascara is $26 for the full mascara. I'm super picky when it comes to mascaras, so I need to know that I'm going to love it before I buy the full container of it. And for $26, I want to love this mascara. I love the one from Too Faced. That is my favorite. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is my all-time favorite mascara. So this one says that it is an ultra volumizing mascara that delivers instant dimension for epic lashes, which is a great claim. I've seen other people wear this. They say that they love it. I'm picky, so I'm going to test it. Experience ultimate volume and the look of thick false lashes, which is a huge claim. The lash maximizing curve brush, which it says places the most volume at the hard to reach center lash line. Defines tip style lash for major drama. The super concentrated black pigment delivers the greatest visual impact. It says it is smudge proof, lengthening, volumizing in 3 strokes or less. So it does recommend that you put on 3 coats, which is something that I always do, but it says you can do less if you'd like. Like I said, it is a $26 mascara. I've got light makeup on, semi-light makeup on, so you can kind of see. I put a little line wing because I like to wing out my eyes when I wear a light shadow like this. So I'm going to just go ahead and curl my eyelashes here. Now this side of my face here, I have stubbier eyelashes on this side than I do on this side. Alright, so that's what my lashes look like without any mascara on them. I just curled them, so we're gonna go in with the brush here. And can I zoom in any more? Probably not. That's probably as close as I'm gonna be able to get. Let's go in with the first coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just coat the whole lash. Alright, that is 1 coat there. That actually did a really good job. I'm super impressed by that. Okay, I'm going to dip again. And let's do a second coat. Okay, so there's a second coat there. Did a great job. Side without mascara, side with mascara, and here's both. I think I only need the 2 coats because I think if I do a 3rd coat it's going to start getting kind of clumpy. So I'm going to do the other side real quick and then I'll show you what they both look like. I'll be right back. Alright, here's what both eyes look like here. So I think it does a great job. I do feel like it gets kind of clumpy. I don't know if you guys can see that. With the 2 coats, I feel like if I did a 3rd coat, it would just be way over clumpy and kind of like spider eye looking, which is not my style. The brush kind of gets a lot of mascara on it, so it's kind of hard to not be clumpy. I think the bristles are too close together when it comes to that, but I don't mind the effect that it's giving my eyes right now. So yeah, I'll continue to wear it throughout the day. I'm doing a foundation review right now as well, so at the end of the day when I wrap up my foundation review, I'll wrap up this mascara review for you guys and show you if it kind of held place all day and if it did anything like smudging or flaking, which I'm not a big flaking for me is not a big deal. I love the Better Than Sex and that kind of flakes every once in a while, so that's not a big deal, but some people it is. So I'll let you know if it does that. It does. I do feel like it does give me the same effect that the Better Than Sex does, but just a little bit more clumpy. Like, the formula seems a little bit more clumpy than the Better Than Sex does. So I'm going to go ahead and wear it for the day. I'll come back at the end of the day. This is going to be a short video and show you what it looks like, and then you guys can decide if this is something that you want to try. So I shall talk to you later. Alright guys, it has been 8 hours since I've had this mascara on. I think it's done a really good job. I'm going to get close so you can see. Here, it's held the curl throughout the day. This side of my eyes, on this side of my face, my eyelashes are a little bit more stubbier than this side. I don't know why, but it is that way. But it did hold the curl all day. I did notice that I did have a little bit of flaking throughout the day, which is pretty similar for me when it comes to using my favorite mascara, the Better Than Sex from Too Faced, and I don't mind that. This particular mascara is $26 for the full size, and I believe it's like $14 or $12 for this little tiny size here. So for me, I would continue to purchase the Too Faced Better Than Sex because I like it a little bit more. It's not as cakey as a mascara for me, and the brush from the Better Than Sex mascara is a little bit more spread out. Even though it's the same kind of brush as this one is, I feel like the bristles are a little bit more spread out, so it does kind of do a little bit more for my lashes than this did. This is a good mascara. I will continue to wear it until it's done. I don't mind it. It's just that it reminds me so much of the Too Faced one, and the Too Faced one is like $2 to $3 cheaper than this one, so that's the one that I would continue to buy. And this one is a great mascara, but just it's just too much like the Too Faced for me, that the Too Faced one is just better for me. So that is my review. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this, if you've tried it, if you liked it, if you hate it. Also, let me know what you think about the Too Faced Better Than Sex, because there's like a mixed feeling for that. Some people like it, some people hate it. I love that mascara, so it's one of my favorites. So let me know what you guys think about the Marc Jacobs, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I shall talk to you sometime within the week. All right, bye-bye.